Innovative Kids channel.
Run away.
Run away.
The dog tries to run away from the bath.
The dog tries to run away from the bath.
Sit up.
Sit up.
Sit up straight at the dinner table, please.
Sit up straight at the dinner table, please.
Lie down.
Lie down.
After a long day, I lie down in bed to rest.
After a long day, I lie down in bed to rest.
Throw away.
Throw away.
We throw away garbage in the trash can.
We throw away garbage in the trash can.
Look for.
Look for.
I look for my missing sock in the laundry basket.
I look for my missing sock in the laundry basket.
Go over.
Go over.
Let's go over your spelling words before bed.
Let's go over your spelling words before bed.
Get up.
Get up.
I get up early to catch the sunrise.
I get up early to catch the sunrise.
Come over.
Come over.
My friend comes over to play after school.
My friend comes over to play after school.
Look after.
Look after.
I look after my younger brother when mom is busy.
I look after my younger brother when mom is busy.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around and face the other way.
Turn around and face the other way.
Make up.
Make up.
We make up after having a disagreement.
We make up after having a disagreement.
Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up early to catch the school bus.
I wake up early to catch the school bus.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
It's time to get dressed for school.
It's time to get dressed for school.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed.
Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed.
Wash hands.
Wash hands.
Remember to wash your hands before eating.
Remember to wash your hands before eating.
Pack lunch.
Pack lunch.
Mom helps me pack my lunch for school.
Mom helps me pack my lunch for school.
Put on.
Put on.
I put on my favorite shoes before going out.
I put on my favorite shoes before going out.
Take off.
Take off.
It's hot outside, so I take off my sweater.
It's hot outside, so I take off my sweater.
Eat up.
Eat up.
Don't forget to eat up all your vegetables.
Don't forget to eat up all your vegetables.
Finish homework.
Finish homework.
I finish my homework before dinner.
I finish my homework before dinner.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Please pick up your toys from the floor.
Please pick up your toys from the floor.
Turn off.
Turn off.
It's bedtime, so let's turn off the TV.
It's bedtime, so let's turn off the TV.
Turn on.
Turn on.
I turn on the lights when it gets dark.
I turn on the lights when it gets dark.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Let's clean up the living room.
Let's clean up the living room.
Set up.
Set up.
Dad helps me set up my toys in my room.
Dad helps me set up my toys in my room. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.